Reba's Reading Treasures. It's Reba to the rescue. Come on along and read this sensational story with me. The title, celebrating Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. being a king. Today, the nation, our world, Cousin Kyrie, and I are celebrating Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Do you know what it means to be a king? Cousin Kyrie and I are going to spend our day being a king. We love Dr. King. We love doing good in our community and our world. We think we have a pretty good idea about what it means to be a king. Join us for our special Being a King Day. Kyrie and I are here helping to serve free meals to those in our community. Miss Chang needs assistance with her laundry. Kyrie and I are helping her. Our neighbor needed help preparing her lunch, so Kyrie and I are assisting her. David needed help with his homework, so Kyrie and I are here to help David. You see, friends, it's easy to be a king. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. worked to help build a better world. He believed in equality, love, justice, and service to others. So, we invite you to go out and be a king today and always. Okay?
Something is happening in our world. The masses of people are rising up